WTDiesel, where precision engineering meets unmatched reliability. With cutting-edge technology, we deliver high-performance diesel parts, ensuring your engine runs at its best. As a UK-trusted manufacturer, WTDiesel has been working with well-known partners for over 20 years and delivering 100 types of durable diesel parts to buyers. In our factories, genuine parts are disassembled, tested, and carefully refurbished. Each product is verified to the highest standards and backed by a reliable warranty. At the office, our mechanical specialist team is available weekdays, speaking multiple languages to assist customers. We ensure smooth installation and optimal performance for every part. Selecting the fastest and most reliable delivery services is our priority. We ensure swift, secure global shipping, getting essential diesel parts to customers exactly when they need them. From our hands to yours, we deliver parts with speed and expert-backed assurance. Visit www.wtdiesel.com to get your parts fast, wherever you are.